This is
then you're probably thinking diesel
Greek's
power
friend
and
out from new
German
car.
badge work.
Yeah,
Here's a different way to go.
so
This significantly improved
this
version
is
of
Greek's
Lexus's
friend
first
out from new
generation
car. Bought it,
CT200H petrol-electric hybrid,
obviously.
announced for the
And what was
2018
it?
model
Insurance
year
gave him
to
money,
prolong this
and
design's
he put it
life in
in
our
obviously
market.
in his
Earlier
car.
versions of this
Yeah.
car needed
Just
a
told
little
me
perfecting,
today,
but in this form,
3
it's
minutes
become a
ago,
surprisingly credible
this is in the
choice
car.
with overall running costs and exemplary refinement number amongst your
Nice
key
car.
priorities. Plus, as
That's the
before,
back.
the CT
That's the
is
front.
classy to own and kind to the environment. In short, it's still got plenty to offer. The mechanical setup of this CT200H hasn't altered as part of the 2018 model year changes, so it remains based around the hybrid Synergy drive powertrain developed for the old third generation Toyota Prius that was launched back in 2009. This sees an old tech nickel metal hydride battery mated to a 98 brake horsepower 1.8 litre VVTi petrol engine, an 81 brake horsepower electric motor,
this
a power
is just
control
to the
unit
Prius.
and a power split device. The two outputs I've mentioned are never delivered at the same time, which is why, slightly confusingly, the total power output of this little Lexus is quoted at 134 brake horsepower. That's a lot less than you get in a hybrid version of the next model up in Lexus's range, the IS Saloon. But then, of course, the running costs of this CT are potentially a lot better than you get with that car.
So that's
Officially
Griggs
quoted at
for the new car.
74.3 miles to the gallon on a combined cycle and 88
the
grams
features
per
is
kilometre
second.
of CO2,
Right, bye.
provide